Mayam Mukhrumzari adon English Impact News ne NONGTHOMBAM Manung hariba 360-degree analysis of news and events ta Mayam bu tramna okchari chahi sigi natraga chaliba chahi 2016-17 gi second division I-League football da koi gi qualify odana natraga masigi champion oiduna I-League ke damakta Manipur gi puari da ahan boina I-League ta changbangam kraba akoi NEROCA FC haukiba mege tari kuni thoi da sana khiba mapalak suba koi gi final gi match gi mapalak suba match ta Lone Star Kashmir bu mari amada yamna phajana mai thiba piram laga koi tara suba match sana dringa ida dum mapan suba sida point kulhum doi phangdona khwai digi yamna point phangdona I-League ke damakta qualify oikhre aduga second division I-League ke damakta na koi champion oire havani champion oiba team dona koi I-League ta changbani hai riba koi gi NEROCA FC football team Manipur gi club asigi members ng asi wari sanajab ke tanjad rok jage ahan matada manu hunu ke studio election rode bire basi NEROCA FC ki captain LALIT THAPA ni hamdad LALIT patramok cheri welcome to the show, appreciate you joining. Also joining us coach of our chief coach of NEROCA FC gift RAIKHAN ni oja RAIKHAN busu tramok cheri welcome to the show, appreciate you joining too. And also joining us one of the players of NEROCA FC ARATA IZUMI. ARATA, welcome to the show, appreciate you joining too.
Thank you.
Ngasi discussion see, I'll keep the discussion bilingual. Whenever you feel like speaking in Manipuri, you please speak in Manipuri. Otherwise, you can also speak in English. And to start with, I will directly come to the chief coach of the club or the team. कोई tournament की कोई journey है बता रहे. So far, last time also we participated or we debuted in the second division I-League. And we played well, but somehow we couldn't qualify for I-League. But this time we become the champion and we are qualified for I-League. I just want to know what is your experience or what is the achievement, the journey of the achievement for this season.
Okay, first of all, thank you very much, Impact. Akoi bu sumai na kausal lakpa, adagi akoi gi achievement dono na recognize toraga. Akoi bu sumai na interact tobo phangba ba, adagi kon Manipur phabuk bu akoi na akoi gi ninja ba mayam do haidok pa ngambagi jaga tanja do phangba na thank you. Ani shubadana hariba akoi rasna hari do it was very right. Maram de koina ahamba chahida sanaiba second division I-League qualifying round do koi first round do sanai final round da akoi third lakh na qualify oiba ngam khide. Reason behind unexperience. Okay. The first time. Adagi players indo exposure yam wat pa. Mapanda first time flight tonga sanaba chatpa do last year da player yam yawe ba. So akoina first year da akoina qualify oiba ngamdramnina second year sida kamai qualify tawsiki haina management ga analysis tawraga adu di experience ga hariba young unexperienced ga mix tawraga adu gi masala semaga adu di akoi honor se ne handak ki final round ki handak ki chahi sida akoi honor ki bani adu na chapchana siliba plan do akoi na ngasi ubu phangle. Okay. adu hariba akoi qualifying oigre match ma wali adu qualifying oigre haibase akoi khangle adu si qualify oibase I myself as a coach as a player Manipur ki damakta akoi dedicate tawjare. Okay. And then club ki damakta. Okay, achievement akoi champion work basi koi match amu bodi wali match walo riba match na lagliba mege tari kuni panda khumalampak koi stadium da sanaga da bad gumlaba match ni masina koi home match ki aroiba match oiga male adubu home match ki aroiba match sanadringa da already been declared that NEROCA FC is the clear cut champion of second division I-League and now qualify for I-League, the coming of I-League. Karam kanda lakatam da I-League to the kang dream madusu atu matan la thoktung mali adu so far handaki achievement sida as a captain amoina mamang chahi dasu odum akoi saruga biki handaksu as a captain no saruga biri madugi handaki achievement siga ri mamangi achieve ta hugda batar su mamangi experience mayam duga handaki experience mayam jiga haitare punja laga karam makhalgi experience no ketang share to bi captain namoy
akoi gi mamang chahi da akoi na qualify oidu du ningam de koisu adu experience ro wat pa coach na hai butung are experience adi akoi experience nong na Manipur dang sana ma pan thokan sana ngam da ba Manipur da lera ga na moi phan sana ngam ba ki ma pan thoga na पाखत पर कनो तर मोय सनंग ngam दब याव को प्लेयर खर याव पा अदु मोयना मक्सिंग हेलक अदु मना अखो एक्सपीरियंस प्लेयर खर वाट पा अदुना अखो जे क्वालिफाई ngam दि होदि होना खिमने अदु थर्ड तागी जस्ट पॉइंट मना अदु ममांग चेगी मैम दु येंगा अखो मैनेजमेंट मैम ना तौरगा हंदक दि कासे आइली से तौसे मी मैम अथै क्लब मैम त अखो नॉर्थ की मोय मैम आइली कांग अखो कहि ngam दोरना एक्सपीरियंस प्लेयर मैम जे लौदना अखोना कोच का मैनेजमेंट में तानारगा अखोय दुसु ताना बिरि कना लौसी लौरोय से आइदि अखोय ममांग चेदि लेरबनिना अदु तानारगा अखोय फनबा आई लीग से मणिपुर दा अमुक्तम पुरक से मणिपुर की ओइना माय ओइना मणि आई लीग से मणिपुर दा सनाबदु अखोय बाबुक मैम पामजे सी येंगनिंगे उ फंगदे कनामदना टीवी दा हेन नतना अदु हंदक अखोयना क्वालिफाई ओगिबसि याम नुआय मणिपुर की ओइना चाखनबनि अदुगा आई लीग लापाय से अखोय की फुटबॉल फैन मैम फुटबॉल पामजब मैम मोई की दमक दि लाइफ मोयने येंगिंग गांदा खुंगल लंपाक लागा मोय मिट्सने येंग फंगदिने हानादि टीवी दि हेन येंग फंगबोंदे अदु की दम याम नुआय आई लीग लापाय से अखोयजु
या मजे आई लीग से कोई यो ngam ba hai se ai league se manipur da su sana drop ne ko home play match me am se di adum manipur da dum sana drop ni na manipur me am tv di yang boi mohta ko gi live yang bagi mahau adu su ground da se yang boi mahau do phangani habni ya manje mathang se I'll come to ARATA IZUMI. How do you see the achievement? Because this achievement may not be a big achievement for other part of the country, but this one is very big for Manipur and NEROCA FC, as this is the first time Manipur's one of the football club is entering the I-League. So how do you see the achievement as a team member?
Well, obviously this achievement is huge for Manipur, and I would say it's all about effort from everyone. You know, start from maybe management, players, technical staff, and supporters, and even the state. You know, if you see the passion towards the football in this state, it's amazing. If you come our home game, you see a lot of number of people to watch the game. I mean, you don't see that much of crowd in any other part of India. Maybe in Calcutta probably, but not so many. So you know, the will, the passion lead us to achieve this achievement today, and I mean, it's fantastic news for Indian football as well, I believe, because from this part of country, a lot of talents are coming up, and probably at this moment till today, maybe Manipur didn't get much exposure. Players didn't get much exposure, but because of this, many more players will get chance to show their talent, show themselves what they can do to everywhere. So probably it's going to help Indian football for their future.
Okay. Chief Coach RAIKHAN sir has already talked about the experience we didn't have in the debut presence last year, but this time we had the experience. So how do you see this time? I mean, the difference between last season and this season for NEROCA FC.
Well, it's difficult for me to compare last season and this season, because last season I don't know the team, but I'm sure it was a very good team.
Okay.
But my personal opinion, but this season the team was really mixed well. You know, experienced to young players. We are really unite. You know, start till the end.
Okay.
We had a maybe tough time, maybe we had a good time, but we were always together on and off the pitch. So that unity helped us in the end. You know. So that gave us the results.
Okay. United ama oina hai tara koi staff to yoga playing staff wagera non playing staff wagera everyone was united for NEROCA FC ka dabi ade ka ngam dabi ade habi wakhalom da changi hai bani atubo matang si da koi coach la jani si mamangi experience le rabani na mamangi experience sinaraga handa kisida khare na phagalam bagi pot pudi le biram dum male atubo how was the preparation gone preparation se karai to bi handa ki se kitang madu gi during the matches koi match manung dasu tongan ba preparation dum lemdong male karam mong da handa ki strategy kamai to bi
oh handa ki akoi na preparation to gi base akoi di do or die gi system da toraki bane not for only second division starting from the Durand Cup ta gi akoi na pick up to gi buduna adu gi image to akoi kapsalak pa adagi akoi na hona ki bagi no ma da akoi lepte training lepte no mata lepte lepasu recovery race na hamle
okay
recovery race na active race na no one was sleep
okay
kana su tumde ai bawba ai khatana tana management hai ba club tu gi mapu aduna management duna adagi ahalaman mayam duna tumdraga koi kamai tumduino sine
okay thawai obi be mayam
thawai oba concern to ba agoi classic group of hotel gi akoi gi hojik mene kano gi akoi gi akoi tamodabli ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯔꯗꯕꯂꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯆꯥꯅꯨꯄꯥ ꯅꯥꯎꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯗꯔꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯅꯠꯇꯅ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯕꯀꯤ ꯅꯦꯔꯣꯀꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯍꯜ ꯂꯃꯟ ꯇꯥꯅꯣꯕꯤꯟ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯃꯣ ꯀꯥꯁꯤ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯀ꯭ꯔꯦꯇꯔꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤ ꯃꯣꯍꯣꯟ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩꯔꯤ ꯃꯤꯡ ꯄꯟꯕꯗ ꯄꯔꯦꯡ ꯁꯥꯅꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯁꯞꯄꯣꯔꯠ ꯇꯧꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯕꯨ
Okay, behind the screen, I mean, beyond the playground, there were so many people playing around.
Wonderful.
Okay.
Aduna akoi preparation however. Training gi aigi timing gi workout ki adagi football training chapadi that's very secret. I haido putting amoi.
Okay.
Adu ai coach amagi aigi ne du player ma link leina ga ko. Adu preparations di from the management we start. Kada ya de chang de ya de habagi. Apart from training, moina akoi facility pirakpa. Salary on time. Chana thangna phajarakpa. Transport wahandaba. Attires wahandaba. Medical phajana akoi support tawbiba. Adagi family problems lakpa anda moina parents haraga mama papa haraga moina involved tawraga. Aduda akoi health tawbiba. Mentally support tawba. Coach freedom piba. Coach, this is your club.
Okay.
You have to handle it. Coach to thajabiba. Coach na player thajaba. Player na coach thajaba. Coach na management thajaba. Aduna preparation hogi bne.
Okay, sanaba sidang thado maga everything kogi management na loi yengjan bigre ba. Koi player amagi na taka kogi NEROCA gi member mayam khudi maki responsibility mayam se koi NEROCA gi administration da management na loi yengjan bigre. Mana baduna sanaba da mayam se confine to bangam gini focus to bangam gi bne ko. Matang sei kogi team gi captain da lakchage kogi LALIT THAPA da handaki koi champion budi ore match amasu wali wat budi Maduda Sulak again, Madula Chadring I said, Hosik Pogi, Ahan Bagi, first round, the second round, the final round, I have final round, Jedamo, we tongaton with him Turko Sanak, Padu Mamang, the Koitongan, Bakugi groups in the group A, B, C, the B, the Nekogi NEROCA, and Sanaki. Why am Sanarapasi, Hosik Pogbuta, Sanaki, who qualify, where was a champion, where a clear cut, Adu Pogbata, what Akuyamna, Lina, Masi, my Pakian can be run, Natragamasi, every match Yamna, Masida, energy effort, Mam had a Matota can be.
Machise akoina hek horpodagina akoise each and every game se akoina final win lawe sise akoina laithokpa amta yawgide
Okay.
haidi once the second division je I league sanabna dilaye second division je once lose ama tawbada dum
Okay.
3 point akoina lose tawbada yam wabani haidi only the top team will be the qualify for I league aduna I league the relegate oidra loire just moi maintain taw loini point ngamdra so haidi match 20 matches ne the match only 10 matches so if you lose one game then you are below another team. Aduna, akoigi daw pabna, labok pabna akoigi Southern Samidina, moina match ama po give the akoina, halong point ahungna point marina advance or give the advantage when point mari give the akoisi convenience lenum sanagim ne. Adukore moina po dra akoina po bo ra magadi, moina advantage lower chaki do basina aduna every match important is the.
Or final round the ama the pogi dre match.
Final round the am the pogi dre first leg the match ma pogi Kolkata da Mohammedan da.
Mohammedan dagi.
Ado husi phob da koi team na goal se concede ahum khak tawgi final round goal concede ahum khak tawi 15 or 16 maybe right akoina score tawgi ba adu na takpadi akoi easily logde ha we just
yamna difficult hoyi ba okay captain is talking about all the matches league matches were not easy one I mean every match was very important because if we fail to crack one particular match, then we'll be behind in the score. So therefore, we need to crack every match. Do you find this particular series or this particular tournament or the league easy ride or a very difficult one?
No, definitely it was a really difficult. The pressure was always on us because first of all there was a huge expectation towards us. You know, looking at on the paper, I mean. Anybody will say that NEROCA will be the champion for this season from beginning, you know. But that's not the case of football always. And like he said, there's a luck involved, and of course our effort was involved. And most importantly, we had a mentality to keep going. You know, we don't rely on someone's results, or we don't think about if we win this match, that match, this match. No, we took it one by one. Probably he said that I could understand, but probably he was saying that, right? Yeah. So exactly what he was saying is. You know, right? And for that, we need a unity. Again, I come back to unity. And to create the unity is someone has to manage that unity, man management. So that comes to coach's skill. And today, it's one of the most important skill as a coach or quality of the coach to manage the players. And so that part, the huge credit has to go to the coach, and he did a great job.
Sanaki match me amsida koi Mohammed and the Sup Hoku Jawara to Atai the Loina my paki bangam. Adubu Kogi Kenomam say Kogi every league matching see Amam to Oina, Hadi Mogi Kogi Kenomam say player Mam Puraga Yang Bogi Tanjadi later Nina. Karam Nakoina Sanaga opponents Masi Mokogi the Mota Karam prepared to Kotaki have a Siki preparation city Kamaka and get of you.
Siki preparation coach Moina, I get over. Aduga senior team Punjalaga. Aduga manager singer. Punjala Kamai to see Karamba system Sanasige. Mois the foreigner Ani Yauri. Mois the player Pazabi Yauri.
Okay.
Aduda Koi a high pressing Sanajira. Natra Koi defensive Sanajira. Kama wing room the Sanjira. Basic Aina. At the mind of plan, Shemaga. We go match by match. That's the final. That's why we are unbeaten still now.
Adu koi Mohammed and the my paki the badilere. Adu karam matching na quite NEROCA FC ki damta quite difficult, one of the most difficult matches we can be.
Yes. Modern sporting ki hammer match. Ako na sana hiba hammer match to sida home na sana raga. Ako na Hindustan FC ka sida 1-0 da karaga. Ako na second match to modern sporting chat pane ba.
Away match.
Away match ta. Adu da lairi ba temperature do Calcutta ki temperature do very close to 40. Ako ida that time only 27. If I'm not mistaken. But ako ina chatlaga adu adjust to rubaga. Weather later. First home match away match weather. The field is pang ako ida taseng na.
Okay.
Adubo that day was not our day. Ako numit na tedo numito. Chance yang pangi score to bungam de. Handball su tai pi de. But sidene coach moina. Positively kan gada ba players inga high gada ba. Because of that match we lost. That's why we are still unbeaten today. Because from that hurt, we wake up together.
Okay. So one defeat.
So losing is very good for me.
Okay.
Because we are here today unbeaten.
Okay. Because of the first away match that there was defeated by the Mohammedan team 2-0.
Yeah.
Adudagi akoi lesson amalorga. I mean the team grew together.
Yeah.
Pull up hagot minare woke up together happening. Mathang jai captain lak chage captain handaki koi match amaso lem hori tarik 9 da koi gi aroi ba home match hagadra already koi champion bodi orabne adu champion oire hadno masi tarai na de dum low dodi mande kaino da hujik champion orabne magi image amasu champion ki image amale the forthcoming match will not be taken lightly or easily as you are already declared the champion, so you can't take it lightly. Aduna handaki laiba tarik 9 ki match di kaya amna luyen kan pian home ground do santuni.
Asi acheng modadi akoi Southern Summit ga akoi ga last match thamisina akoi home thamisina AFF na khalisina masi sina final oidini habdi asi team ani sida decide tawdini qualify obise haina hana di so tum
second le lise
asi ani sida decide oidini adu last match se decider oini na sida moi je Southern Summit ga akoi ga thamgimne
adu Southern Summit ga han thengna boy dune
ani suba moi gi home sida draw chakiba koina
mamang draw chaki
1-1 draw chakiba adu last match ni na koina qualify ore na koi lai thoru dia roi home crowd me am laktui ni koi support me am laktui ni moi mang da koina mai thira ga moi unde ningam da bdi tawhon mangam ro aduna koi full strength koi ngam jab thak da kum sanani ka su kana koi na dum parthana tawri koi coach ko me am tawra
adu koi draw oi khibni na makoi gi
hoi moi home da draw khiba
strength and weakness me am sulu khangbiramani
hoi adu di khange adu ga adu koi na dum kana koi kana honaraga
okay
adum moi na hendo di na tre koi home advantage am su leire sida su akoina champion oigre adu mathak da akoina haidi confidence ma akoi boost up tawre confidence ma leikre aduna last match di each and every player experienced player oigre oridra they will be in confidence, so I hope the result will be in favor of us.
Okay, the result will be in favor of NEROCA FC on 28 May, the last match. But as you have already played with the Southern Summit before and it was a draw, so this time how do you see, will it be a draw or will it go in favor of Manipur, as I mean NEROCA, as you are playing in the home ground? You and at the same time you already know the strength and weaknesses of the opponent team.
That does not matter actually these things, and as long as you are a football player, we always go for win.
Okay.
And this is a home game in front of maybe there's a 10,000 or 20,000 or even 1 person. If you are someone is looking at you as a professional, you should give your best. That's my professionalism. So
Yeah.
I'm sure everyone is thinking that way. So we go.
Okay,
for
you can't take
3
it
points.
lightly.
Never ever. That's no chance.
Okay, ado tari ko nipan ki match ki damakta oja ki am optimistic oi bi koi haina basuloi optimist oi bi missing se koi accuracy kitang oi wali keno da aphabaram da loi khan gi dana so na kangi aseng ba reality makho gi aphabana karai no patamna kyani tu mayam do madu loina mak undermine tor maga koi na ka dor apni koi hai bagi positive spirit le men gi dana koi gi moi gi aseng ba data mayam hai gadra aseng ba strength and weakness mayam do loi silent tor me habi wafum suloi adu bo kari happening oja. Are you, I mean, very optimistic about the forthcoming match?
Football ji hayo kamde. Match sanaba hek hauba minute tu haubaga 90 minute 92 minute 3 pawa adu the result khanga dabane. Adu team ani mak sida best people do adu ka doini.
Okay.
Moijo NEROCA na champion were khanga jo players indi NEROCA to sign tawning manena kan hona rakani. Management jo champion we do khoi kathal mi haina kan hona rakani.
Okay.
Coach mo ina analyze sabjari. Adu akhoi gi responsibility numitu gi best people. Aduga effort leiba. Hona bukan ba. Kanai dum sana bano Manipur babu gi dum sana ba. Club gi dum sana ba. Logo je club gi dum logo sana ba. Sumaina players na motivation tawraga akhoi gi sana gi strategy do fajana apply tawraga akhoi na ngai pa ta bane tang kuni wan gi pung manga makhai ta ga khang ta.
Okay, tang kunipan ki mangam khaita avda khanga dabani. Adubu coach sir is very optimistic, but at the same time Southern Committee Kolkata will also be working really hard because NEROCA FC is the champion of second division I League, qualified for I League. So if they defeat NEROCA FC, that will be a big pride for them. So for NEROCA FC, that will be like a disadvantage. Like you are playing at home ground, that will be an advantage, but it can also be a disadvantage because of the home ground, because of the home ground, there will be a lot of pressure from the people's expectations. So that will be quite will give you quite nervousness to most of the players. How do you look at it?
Can be. But at the same time, it can be motivation to us. And I believe I always take it positively. So it's going to be motivation to us. I mean, every player are going to be very excited, and we are going to go for 3 points.
You don't find any kind of nervousness or anxiety because...
Well, we are human beings. Yes, we feel sometimes. And it's true that sometimes game doesn't go as well, but that's football.
Again, this will be a question of image also. Now you are the champion, and if the champion is defeated by the person, by a team which is in the second list, so that will be quite embarrassing.
No. I don't think so. We shouldn't take that pressure on us. Well, of course, we are gonna give our best, and with dignity, with pride, we are gonna play as a champion. But the results is not up to us. Sometimes it's a football. Someone on top probably decide. But of course, as a champion, we are going to go for 3 points. That's
very rightly said. Kogi result to koi na yenga sana ga dong nate result to di numitugi kogi laibak ta leram mududa destiny da leram to ibne do kogi site di angamba thak to hona gani habni NEROCA FC gi maike digi adu kama yengbi kitang kogi home ground da sana gi advantage lei haiba targa su home ground gi pressure haitare koi Manipur si maithi bada noise da ba mi ado ibni na laktri crowd me am ji makogi pressure jam jaw na koi players in the pudong mali kama yengbi koi captain na moy
pressure do hoy mayam home ground da sanabidin pressure ler dam ni adi sagi mini yengabni na khoi kitang sogib da mayam jina onjala nganga kidra aini tawse chumjala mayam sina kari hayap to no adu pressure dile adu pressure puraga sanangam draga di makha tab sanabangam da adi pressure each and every field the pressure lay dam ni pressure leraga na mi thabak du suba honna bela kani aduga soidena su helani soidena bo honna kanda afabri jala adam ne positive de chala dam pressure le rena khoi na dum namdara le dom na te pressure le khoi de positive rom da loraga me am je khoi de professionally footballer ne de football sana khoi to khoi to rani ground da ngam da ba ngam de di tungan buani do khoi na ngam bo phodi khoi to rani makha ta ba dum
pressure le basi amna fai pressure na motivation ne so haibiri adu mathang chu da khoi theory of xyz ka so na ba human beings dislike to work until and unless they are forced, they are pressurized, or they are motivated. Maramatuna, akoi pressure male bisi am kanai have ne. Tu matang sidai na coach la chini si home ground do sana bisi mayam di am hai ne. Home ground do sana bisi ki advantage ne hai na. Tu pressure ki disadvantage muja dumla ibni na. So aise di usana masi koi ki keno sing si players sing si ki anxiety hagadra sum makalgi pressure se adum lathok pina mohona bibra time to time comment to
yes pressure angang sing si pressure le re se khang dam nate even coach ai bo pressure le maram di football si di is all about result result tu phang dadi akoi loi chop toi ni adun result tu akoi predict to ya dam ne football di kauraga chelaga goal chalaga result phang dam ne na adugi match to how dring ai da moibu pressure player me amna pressure lori ba anxiety form to me am do coach mo na manager mo na moibu motivate to bi ba comfort to bi ba relax to han ba focus only kamaina phajana sana si ge ha ba focus to han ba chi coach ma gi thabak ni adu tawbagi akoi ge manipur bhabok yamna akoi bu pressure pi de supi pi de
okay
supi pi de manipur bhabok supi pi de thila sana ganda pi ba ni phajana saringai khuba khuba khatani
okay mai thira ga su phajana sana tar ga
adu no problem encourage to go adu thina sana raba adu ai juni ayu chairi ni moibu aile coach chai ya di bhabok kai chai ya adu aduna akoi na thina sana di surely akoi pressure phangani phajana sana ring kai goal challing kai pressure su khuba khuba khatani
okay phajana sana ring ai di wara wada mi kanam ta leite mar maduna ka ba mai pak ta ba mai pak pa have di numitu gi khitang hena phajana sana khiba mi oiduna na ta team duna mai pak pa dunia dubu NEROCA FC koi yamna confident oi lakadori ba lemhori ba match se su ningthina mai pak na sana gani have gi confidence amagal oirana all set have tare all set for 28 May aroiba koi home gi match asigi da on den obrem to jage break makha chatrak pada what next koi je champion orbena makha kai tawdori have gi matang chita makha khana jage break ti on tonjar ke impact is meng ta lebi Welcome back. Adon Ingvirbasi Manu Hunani a 360-degree analysis of news and events with me NONGTHOMBAM. Manu Hunata ngasi khana jarme basi chahi sigi second division I League football tournament asida NEROCA FC na Manipur gi puwari da ahan bo oina mai pak tuna I League ta changbang amle aduna hojik I League ta kuyi Manipur gi maike digi NEROCA FC su sanaba konglagani mamang da Aizol FC amadi Shelong Lazong FC ani si sanar mane du hanak tagi di kuyi Manipur su yarong habagi nungai basini NEROCA FC su yarong habagi nungai basini mathang si ai oja costa mukalak chagi oja gift RAIKHAN da kuyi handaki mai pak pa du ga mamang chahida mai pak pa ngam taraga su yamna ranking da number 3rd pawbo yogdana yam phajana sana ki NEROCA FC na second division I League sida dum mamang chesu mayam se qualify oiradra have yam chaw positive energy hadra opinion se leram bani handak su madugi opinion duga madugi vibe to golena handak de soidra mai pagle aduna sigi hojikti mayam na hainer si koi NEROCA gi vision se khara makhai di NEROCA FC gi vision si manipur gi mayam su aduga even India gi tonga ba mafum sing da so haibata khara makhai di mayam na khangnare adu taseng na NEROCA FC gi vision se karino aduga manipur gi sanaba pamba tonga tonga club oiba yai natraga khoi manipur gi football gilam da leriba mio sing oiba yai makhoi gi vision se kaino aham da khoi NEROCA FC gi vision se kaino clear vision se kaino zari kitang haibi yan
NEROCA FC club ki vision se yamna phaje NEROCA FC se manipur gi ne haina moina loje NEROCA gi alaman sing
okay NEROCA FC na logja deo manipur
NEROCA sangak pham NEROCA classic na logde sukla logde manipur gi ne haina maram di club ama khatane laibani na manipur gi ne haina khali adubu vision di sem da biade vision plan semi I League hojik tha mani le raga calendar la ani akoi I League horani I League hobagi programming se akoi tang kunipan si match hek oibaga soidana management na paket kani wari di tawdri kamaina plan sin sige kamaina team se build up to sige karamba mong da karamba vision da to sige haibase moina soidana khangani club ki ahla mansingna aduga the most important part amadi financial ne football is all about financial player da salary piba chana thakna ba staff coaching staff da salary piba kadai di bisal na piru ni adubu hai ba sponsor tawri ba group aduna second division da lupa chama invest already I League tadi lupa chani invest already sigi aware sigi awareness management da leramani aina haidasu aduna aina khwaidagi nungai jaba haitare manipur da mapanda coaching gi experience sahi taragi leiruraga akoina sida laaga manipur je team I League chang naba honara se haina akoina approach to buganda NEROCA na harau na ya birakpa NEROCA ga classic grove hotel ga tie up to raga moina responsibility lauraga tawhiba lakadaba I League tasu soidana manipur gi damak manipur football gi damakta moina kathoga phanaba maithidana ba tawni haibase agi asani aduna I League changadi IZUL FC na I League champion oiba ngamaga why not manipur kai ngamoi dabano adubo ngamnaba akoina hona bataba ngamnaba plan chin batai akoi vision lei batai road map lei batai adu road map to thamga ganda akoina effort akoina planning lakani planning ado akoina kanna hona ni mayam changaga collective effort management players coaching staff haiba ARATA na haibumna fan public support na soidana low ngamne ko jo I League ngai pak ngamni IZUL FC na low khrido moi gi public ki power dun so low ki bani quite the low budget ne moje football team da budget yam chauna piraga lahalaga champion logo ne habalete the one of the lowest budget IZUL FC ne I League ta among the I League but they are the champion and why not we Manipur can be champion one day
handak chahi gi oina koi IZUL FC na I League ke champion ogi ba maina second division I League tasu Manipur na champion ore koi NEROCA FC na champion ore marmaduna IZUL FC na I League na champion oiraga Manipur gi NEROCA FC na karam na ngamoi dibno madu gi damut angam bathakta NEROCA FC gi maike de honak na happening I'll come to ARATA as now you are part of the team NEROCA FC so I want to know from you so far how has your experience been working with NEROCA?
Well, the efforts what this management is putting for this club is actually it's excellent. I played for many clubs. Probably the budget would be different, you know, team by team. So if you see certain things, probably it's there will be different. But what is most important is the effort which club or owners or officials put for the club, right? And if you look at that way, I can compare with any other club. I mean, what these guys are doing is fantastic.
As good as other clubs.
Yeah, one easy example. That day we had a home game, and it was raining heavily. So imagine our owner, our director, went to buy a gigantic plastic seat. To put on the ground to protect the ground for players to play. For up to our best level. And that's touching, that isn't it? These kind of things gives us a lot of motivation and like a passion to play for this club. Probably sometimes money speaks, yes, always speaks, but it's not all about it. Football is, say, 60% is passion, 40% is the reality, right? I believe. So whatever this management is doing, fantastic.
Okay, management to yamna nungai je habne koi mapan dege player yaurok pasing na su yamna nungai ba experience ama NEROCA FC ga sana bada phawbiri kogi local hai gadra kogi lamdam sigi le haud gi chaurok pa sana ro amoina kogi NEROCA da yaurok pa gi aduga atoppa mafum sing club sing da yaurok pa gi khena ba hai gadra sira basically NEROCA FC da kogi as a captain amoina as a player amna sana ro pasigi experience kamai to
NEROCA da yaurok pa is I career se NEROCA di horok hi.
Okay.
Yang ngang wing di NEROCA se si mes lately the second grassroots level junior in yarok hi NEROCA di horok hi ba. Du ma palam da in I League sana ba khot pa club me am yaru re. Du at least I League level da di usik NEROCA na tawbi se mas yam kre. Moi ne tawri thak se yam wang na khoi I League da club ke am da si tawda ba yar mani. Tawda ba su yauri khoi ura amne michina.
Okay, yaura.
Du moi na usik tawri se management na tawri se I said mukti yok draksu adu yi thak da chatpa yabagi keno moise wakhanda di lei ri akoina anything whatever we need akoina hayu da moina adum ningthungal le aina si leite si pami adu pami da moina adum ngamna adum pibiri ba aduna adu akoi ju khale moina su akoi gi damak ta tawraga akoina club gi damak ta Manipur gi damak ta akoina kitang hodna ba kitang kallaga club gi damak ta tawche NEROCA gi damak tawche Manipur gi damak tawche hena akoi myam ji kitang akoi junior player myam ji akoi thapung thogalaga akoi chatki ne handak chejina ado NEROCA aise aidi Manipur the Soy Club Yamle NEROCA Henderson, NEROCA Hori, Ado Halaya, NEROCA the lady, NEROCA Club, I'm just like NEROCA, the Lucian, NEROCA retire low.
NEROCA attachment. NEROCA Sembir Purina, NEROCA the by attachments, Yam Chawi, Yam Chaba, all kinds of motivations are given to the coaching staff, the administration, and the player, most importantly. My player motivated filter we have. Now, as we have already become the champion, so after 28, May 28, that will be the last match. So after the last match, I guess the team is getting a little bit of, kind of vacation. Are you getting leave? Or are you going on a vacation after that? A quick vacation?
For me, I have coaching course, so probably I'll be busy.
Okay, you'll be busy.
Days, but at least 10 days I can go home and spend my time.
At least for a few days you'll be going home?
Yeah.
Okay. But yam thuna dum akhoi I like damak to preparation dum horani after 28.
After 28 tagi angang players sing masam sagi off season hai bole akhoi off season moi chakrani ado akhoi gi management coaching staff akhoi I like preparation horani. So for us no off.
Okay. Koi player ayam manadi mogi chutti hoy
1 month off hoy gani.
Off hoy gani. Ado koi coaching staff ki di tongan ba.
Coaching staff management aduga club ki halaman mayam akhoi di plan sing gani.
Okay, plan. Adon hoje ang jani what next akhoi gi I like sida hoi ngasai bodi yamna optimistic oi wakhalon thambi kare I like ta I jolna koi champion orga khoi na kare gi moidun habi wakum delay bere do I like sida yauri ba khoi gi khoi tongan ba club sing haitare club sing jeng no matam da koi NEROCA gi level sisu adum chap manan dong adum at part da dum leram dong di male do kari di koi makhata na akoi gi masi in terms of skills, in terms of other areas masi akoi improve to bana traga hen fan mum to kan bi
ras am leire sidi aham mak da koi infrastructure second division ya bone kumana park se
okay
but I league tadi I league sana ding mang da when inspection lakani
okay
adu criteria da akoina fulfill to bangam dradi that
okay adu sana roi dune
so club na aina club ki management di tab da akoi gi sarkar ga government ga yanaraga akoi gi first infrastructure je koi semgat pa number 1 quality phazan ba dressing room phazan len ba bathroom shower ice bath lehan ba doctor room lehan ba doping test ki room laita yaro I like tadi adagi floodlight hap to yaro
hai bisin se
aduga lairiba condition gi hauji ki kuman lampa ki grass koi grass ground ne ko natural ne ko si ki quality se phazan bata aduda main ki power yam yawgani paisa gi yam yawgani effort gi yam yaw quality ma semak pata it will take more than 3-4 months
okay
yam thuna hogdadi namoi dine and then adu sem na boi damakta club na yam thuna budget sem bata budget na halaga si budget sina koi si chalai se budget sem matung jida akoi recruitment haida players habidi I league si la abni na second division gi laiba mi sing sina ngamgadra ngamoi da di kamai e tawsige kana e tawsige karamba player e tawsige maramdi I league tana foreigner home sana biya second division na ani sana ni adumai increase torapni na aduga asia am so hape I league tadi adumai na program du criteria levni na management phammaga board of director phammaga plan chatharani adu chathabaduna last decision ama together collective decision lorani lor matung da kona thabak tu pangthok ko horani
okay tawgot ba thabak mayam homework mayam leir havni I league hodringai sida adubu team zidi mayam de harau nari I league change hadra NEROCA se adubu I league changbagi harau basigi maning da haidi thengnaga da difficulties mayam su lere government gi su club ki su players mayam gi su haitare are kari di khoi as a captain amoi nai kan lalita lakchage kari happening khoi gi I league ta sana dorobni na khoi gi team sida hojik leriba players sing si masida reshuffling hagadra hong mamal lerkani khambi bra leitraga su masina adum yam phajana adum tobungam ni habi wakalo leibiru kari happening
ai moddadi akoi I league changam nina team se atai club achau chabu mon bogan East Bengal example Bangalore FC modi Manipur gi icon mo oitare moi haidi yamna lisuli roba yamna strong team mo ina count tawni na mayam
season team ngatani
aduga
ina sanara ba
akoi jin nongna lakpne na ai wakandadi khara experience oiba player khara add to haning ba team jida
okay
aduga adu management ga coach ga moina decision lo
Decision
ga kai to to no ina hara
Adu feel to buse.
feel to budi ai khara et to do yaroi leiriba player mayam sida
Okay.
adu ying dar dana koi management ga coach moina kari decision lo ge adu matung ina laiba koi ai changam ni na ai sida koi na kamai sanani kai to gani kai ke to do no adu di moina dum management ga coach moina phamaga decide to ni kai ke to do
As you are going to participate in the I-League the coming season, so any kind of changes required in the team or any kind of changes you feel in the club or in the playing side?
Well, criteria I know just now, maybe he was talking, so that's completely to management. And even for players, how to make a team also, you know, it's up to coach and up to the management. So it's, to me, it's all about how to approach. I mean, way of approaching, it's gonna make things, you know, how we going to approach this I-League. We approach this second division to be champion, but I don't know this for I-League top division. Probably try to do not relegate or maybe mid part or to challenge for 1, 2, 3 top 3. That's again depend on them. So as a player, whatever it is, you know, just give best. That's what I can say.
Player amo inadi kogi best adu adum tawani aduga major kogi changes hai gada decision mayam to the administration management na lor kadamni na madugi decision to ngai khini habni aroi boy na kogi ngasi si koi NEROCA FCC Imphal airport da thunglaki bani mayam na welcome torme. There were a lot of people, you know, waiting outside at the airport to just to receive NEROCA FC ngasi gi mayam na sumaina wopiram hai tare expect dum to biram di male du. How was the experience? What was the first, you know, reaction when you see a lot of people, you know, outside the airport?
Yamna pungning jo nungsiba ado nungsu nungai ba kapsu kamning ba haidi akoina mission ama to chalura aga mai pa halak pada mayamna akoi thagat piraga mayamna appreciate to biraga ngai biramba. I thanks the print media, aduga akoi newspapers sing journalists mayamna laaga akoi encouragement to biba maramdi laiba du mi lising ama ani khatani haiba akoi Manipur mayam gi bhabok sidi yawuna ba moina so akoi pangbiri noina so pangbiri. And then finally akoi club ki ahalam mansing club ki management sinja langja duna organize to akoi bu appreciate to na ba akoi lobula ko du not only from Manipur, Fen, Delhi, Bangalore, India da laiba akogi Manipur dagi like tamba chakhiba football nungsiba. We are now the Facebook followers more than 38,000 Manipur gi.
Okay.
So my ambo, I will say thank you very much for your
all the
loving kindness, support. And then lastly, I will thanks to my God, which I in Kazaba, I Christian. I thanks to Jesus Christ to giving me this kind of beautiful, memorable moment.
Okay, memorable moment. Aba pipi kita makta aduga support to ki ba bahok tagi horage everyone bu koi thaga chaba phongdok chai habnu jagi make dige aduga ngasi gi reaction hai tare airport lag matam da leibrim mayam du hoi mamang da hai NEROCA FC gi oina di mamang da sumaina I think probably it was the first time. Kuma ying bi ngasi gi
I guess it's the second time.
Second time.
When we came in Durand Cup, when we lose in the final, their sheep was there. But this is a different, another...
Keno ta hadak sina champion wena lakpani na.
Champion wena lakpani na. Aduga mayam leirame crowd tu su helame. Akoina Durand da lakpati di ngasi giduna yam thine helame. Aduga moin tawgi mayam he crowd tholakpaga mayam khud soktana khotana akoi gunda congratulations wish tawduna khotana akoi gunda regards man people mayam do. Akoi gi fan mayam na airport nan lakpira khoi gunda opiri do thawai je yam nuai je wakhan je.
Okay.
Adi Manipur da mai feel tarokte nong ta khoina sanar pata khoi di adamai uraktri ba sanar urakpati.
Okay.
Crowd na maina airport nan laga fan mayam yam thap phrasu yauri ga tokdan moi yam wana lakpa yauri moi gunda aina haning jina thank you moi yarom draga di khoi airport da champion oraga su khoi lakpa kanam le gunda ga di wakhan do skem na tar jala khoi lori shi ba na khoi kai match tok dro na khala dara khan ba player gaina ai wakhan da dum le re dum moi lakpa moi laga khoi na opiri je yam na thawai ai thogole
puning thogol pam phau. Okay. as you arrive at the airport today, at Imphal Airport, a lot of people were waiting outside. So what was your first reaction to that?
Well, the number doesn't matter actually, but if you see the happy face, so many happy face, when you came out from airport, that's something, right? But actually, I was always feeling this is for Manipur, this is for club, this is for everything. But finally, when I saw the face today at the airport, I became selfish. I just wanted to tell me that, okay, Arata, you did your job. So now, be happy.
Okay.
So that was the thing that I thought first. Yeah.
Okay. Yang ngai ngasigi discussion asida khoi mayam lek khoi gi tongan ba experience tongan ba wakalon opinion sentiment mayam share to wiba maru ina ngasigi achievement asibu ngasigi success story asibu hena kaya tare masibu cherish to wiba masibu enjoy to wiba kita makta khoi lengbir liba khoi gi homework po haiba tare amokana thaga cha pondok chege. I want to thank and appreciate all of you for coming to our studio and sharing your valuable ideas and experiences. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Masini ngasigi Manung Hutna gi thorong ngasigi edition ase karam to bibage khoi khan bir pu yagani khoi email id impactvnews@gmail.com natraga khoi Facebook page www.facebook.com/impactvmanipur da join to biraga comment amadi feedback tha bir pu yagani. Well, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining us from the other side of the screen. Until next time, this is NONGTHOMBAM signing off. Khurumjari.